Hi, Anne's Reaction here, and today we're gonna react to Young Justice Season 1, Episode 2, named Fireworks. I really enjoyed the first episode. It's really weird, again. I keep saying this, but it's weird to me. Young Justice and Dick as part of the team, but not really the leader. Anyway, um, I really, really enjoyed the first episode, and I'm very excited to see a little bit more. So let's just watch. Those things are still creepy. I'm just saying. That's not Roland, right? Because Roland is more of a mobster, sort of, and he's certainly not a scientist. Um, that's the first blockbuster, I'm gonna assume, and I'm pretty sure that's his brother or something. I it's been a while, so yeah. So they're gonna be replaced by their own clones. Okay.
KF, how about we not tick off the guy who can fry us with a look?
That's what I was gonna say, actually.
Project Sidekick. Now.
Are they being mind control too? Because, like, why have it if not?
Superboy? That clone belongs in a cage.
That was really dramatic.
We free you and you turn on
Then
us.
again,
How's that progression?
bad guys, so.
I believe
He can talk?
Yes, he can.
Maybe you should shut
You
up.
said it. Have they ever actually let you see the sky? Or the sun?
Probably
Images
not.
are implanted in my mind,
Yeah.
but no.
Also, that's
I
Nolan
have not
North.
seen them.
do you know what you are?
A xenomorph.
Which means Superman has.
The
Well,
DNA
no,
of
actually,
Superman, created to
we
replace
heard
should
him
he
in the first
perish,
episode. That was Nolan North
to
too.
destroy him should he turn from the light.
No, that's Batman's job.
A worthy aspiration.
No, they can't.
Oh, honey, that's gonna be heartbreaking.
Otherwise occupied. Activate the cloning process
Because
Back his
Clark is not gonna like it.
and get the weapon back in its pod.
Which I personally always felt like that was out of character. But I guess they just wanted to make him
Help us.
less boring. I always thought it was stupid to call Superman boring, but
And you belong to me. Well, to Cadmus. Same thing. Now get back to your
I'm
pod.
pretty sure that's not the same thing. You're disposable, dude. Okay, that's enough. They keep doing it.
Lurking as usual.
I'm ready to throw hands.
Downloading their
I'm ready to fight,
When that's
bitch.
done, delete the source material.
They keep doing it. Just let them live. Breathe. I mean, live too, but breathe.
Superboy.
Especially because one of them is just human.
I told you to get back to your.
There you go. I'm proud of you.
Don't give me orders.
You here to help us or fry us?
If you keep
Seem
talking,
to have heat vision, so
He
I
might
suppose
just-
helping is my only option.
anyway, he might just actually fry you if you keep going.
Lucky Batman isn't here. He'd have my head for taking so long.
Seriously?
Probably.
That's what you're worried about. The whole league will have our heads after tonight.
Yeah, but Batman is a
Free
special case.
Aqualad.
You'll never get out of here.
The
I'll have you back in
bowl
pods before
with your
morning.
blood?
That guy is not whelmed.
Jesus.
Superboy! The goal is escape, not to bury ourselves here.
You want escape?
He's an angry boy.
I'm falling.
Yeah, you can't fly. You can only jump.
Superman can fly. Why can't I fly?
Don't know, but it looks like you can leap tall buildings in a single bound.
Yeah.
Still cool.
Still cool.
Go left! Left!
Do you really want to?
Right.
Why are you listening
Great direction,
to the
Super.
creepy
You trying
voice?
to get us repotted?
We have I'm cornered.
Do you? Nah.
He hacked the motion sensors.
I hacked the motion sensors.
I love him.
Still plenty of them between us and
We better, or the board will have our heads. My head.
See? Disposable.
I need to get something from Project Blockbuster, just in case.
Well,
I'll meet you at sublevel 1.
fudge. What was that?
Perhaps for the sake of all Xenomorphs, our brother Superboy should make up his own mind.
I thought I had to touch you or something.
Yes, brother.
Oh my god. His skin tore off. And yes, that is not Roland. At least he does not look like this in the comics.
okay, that's one way to bust through the ceiling.
Hey, exit.
You think Lab Coat planned that?
Ooh. That's nice. I like that he can. It's a little bit like Green Lanterns, isn't it? But with water.
KF, get over here!
He's gonna bring the whole place down. That's the bad way.
Got your nose.
Oh, that's disgusting. That is just disgusting.
Superboy, Aqualad!
Seriously? So did Dick just casually killed Desmond? I mean, just like his brother. I'm sorry. Sorry.
The moon.
That's a big moon. It's like coming to crush into you big.
Oh. And Superman. Do we keep our
Yeah.
promises or what?
Oh, that's gonna be heartbreaking. Don't, honey, don't look at him like that, please. It's gonna be heartbreaking. He looks so hopeful. It's sad. Like, I get him needing, like, a minute to kind of, you know, process everything. But the outright rejection feels out of character for Clark to me. Congratulations, it's a boy.
Is that what I think it is? Start talking.
I want to hug him. He's gonna leave?
We'll figure something out for you. The League will, I mean. For now, I'd better make sure they get that blockbuster creature squared away.
Or why teach us at all?
Why let them tell
Yes.
us what to do?
But
It's
also,
simple.
yes.
Get on board, or get out of the way.
Live here and be your supervisor. Black Canary's in charge of training. I
That's new.
away on missions.
Okay.
Real mission? Wait, 5?
This is the Martian.
Magan.
Lady known as Ace.
No. Megan. Megan?
That's Robin, Aqualad. It's cool if you forget their names.
Honored to be included.
He's such a little shit.
I like your t-shirt.
Okay, they're cute. Of course.
Today is the day.
Place me in charge. Dr. Spence.
He's
directing
in
Chief
mind
Scientist.
controlled
No
again.
more genome suppressing our...
We now know the League is willing to employ young heroes to do their dirty work. That's a dark twist.
Yes.
when even the bad guys thinks child soldiers is a bad thing. Sort of child soldiers, and then again, pretty much. There you go. That was really good. Again. Oh, it's getting cold. I kind of, already talked about how I felt about Connor and Clark, but yeah, no, I'm not gonna keep talking about it. I actually really like this Aqualad. I mean, my heart will always belong to Garth, but I like this one. It's still weird to see Dick mischievous, being a little shit. Well, no, that's not true. Even in the comics, he's like this, but less mature. He's always been very mature, since forever. So yeah, it's a little bit weird. I'm used to that a little bit with Wally, although he has grown up when he became, the Flash. But yeah, kind of, it was a nice introduction to the show. I like it. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say right now. Yeah, no, I don't have, except the fact that it was really good. If I do have something to say, I'll definitely talk about it once I'm watching episode 3. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next reaction, and goodbye.